Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, I hope you all are doing well. I am here, your English teacher, Miss Sadaf Javed, with our Unit 6 Part 2. In our last video, we read this chapter, and in this video, we are going to do book and notebook exercises. So you should have your book and notebook with you, so we can start the writing of the chapter. First of all, you have to write the lesson outline of this chapter in English A copy. What you have to write: words meaning, word sentences, exercise activities and exercises of conversation, and exercises of word study, and check-up exercises. In notebook, you just have to write words meaning and word sentences. Rest of the exercises will be done on book. So, words meaning. First 5 words: trickle, a small flow of liquid; horror, fear; burst, crack or break; frightened, afraid; exhausted, very tired. Here are word sentences. Damage, the storm damaged the fields. Delighted, the boy was delighted to receive his present. Arrived, my cousin arrived from London today. Saved, the police officer saved the child. Drown, the young boy drowned in the sea. These are the sample sentences. You have to make your own sentences in your copy. Then book exercises. On page number 30, exercise A. Answer the question. Where is Haarlem? Haarlem is in Holland. Why were the dikes built? Dikes are huge walls built to hold back the sea. What did Hans discover one night? Hans discovered a small hole in the dike. Question number 4. What did Hans do immediately? Hans immediately stuck his thumb into the hole to stop water. Question number 5. What can be seen in Haarlem? You can see the statue of Hans Brinker in Haarlem. Did you enjoy the story? Yes or no? You have to tick it. Do you think it is a true? Yes, it is a true story. Okay, exercise B. True or false? On book page number 30. These statements are about Hans Brinker, Haarlem, and the feelings of the people. Hans Brinker lived in Haarlem. Correct. He built the dikes. No. Wrong. He found a broken dike. Correct. He stayed out all night. Correct. Haarlem is the name of the dike. No. Cross. It is a city. Haarlem is where Hans Brinker lived. Correct. Haarlem is below sea level. Correct. Haarlem is in Germany. No. Cross. Haarlem is in Holland. Hans was tired and warm. Cross. He was tired but he was cold. He was frightened. Hans was brave and foolish. No, he was not foolish. People in Haarlem like Hans. Yes, correct. Hans' parents were proud. Yes, correct. Exercise C is the picture. You have to imagine and draw a picture of celebration the town people organized for Hans. There is a celebration for Hans by the town people of Holland. You can draw the firecrackers, flags, lanterns or any decorative items on page number 30 to show the celebration of that day. This is your homework. You have to do it yourself. Then Unit 6 word study, page number 32. Find the words in the list that mean the same as those in the table. Here are the words in the word cloud and you have to write the similar meaning word in the table. For example, shout, yell, uninteresting, boring. From here you can write it over here. Discovered, found, suggestions, ideas, middle, center, required, needed, bowl, dish, irritate, annoy, noise, din. Din also means noise. Worried, concerned, when you are worried about something. These are to be done on page number 32. Next exercise, vocabulary. Ring the odd one out in each list. On page number 32, there are the words given in each row. You have to circle the odd one. For example, happy, pleasant, funny, laughing, grinning. These are the all happy feelings. So, grumpy means sad. Circle the word grumpy. Number 2, bush, tree, hedge, branches, slender and shrub. Other than slender, all the words belong to a tree. Slender means thin. Number 3, maths, English, history, geography, music and science. All these are the subjects which are taught in the school other than music. Number 4, prawn, crab, clam, mussel, cod and lobster. Other than muscle, all these are seafood. Muscle is our body muscle, part of our body. Number 5. Ireland, Australia, France, England, Pakistan and Europe. Other than Pakistan, all of these countries are European countries. Number 6. Eye drops, hearing aid, optician, sunglasses, contact lens, glasses. Other than hearing aid, all of these words belong to the eye. So hearing aid is here odd. So circle the word hearing aid. Next exercise, word structure. Choose the letter string that fills all the words in each row. There would be one word in each row to complete the word. For example, am, of, ed, at, est. First word, first row, head, reading, bread, thread. You can see I have added same word string, that is add. Number 2, damp, camping, stamped, champion. Same word string. Number 3, but, put, nut, shut. Then festival, est is added, west, resting, chest. Number 5, of, love, above, doves, moved. You have to choose one word to complete one row. Then move to exercise D, storyline. Use these words to complete the story. There are words given in the word cloud and you have to write in the blanks given to complete the story. Hans stuck his thumb in the hole to stop the water. He began to shout for help, but nobody heard him. Hans was all alone, cold, hungry and frightened, but he knew he could not move. The moon came out and Hans kept shouting. His little thumb was tired and cold. He thought of his warm bed at home. He knew his mom and dad would be worried. This is the story. Exercise E is teaser time. Can you make 10 words from the word townspeople? Yes. For example, I have made the word pool, stool, stone, suit, post. You have to make other 5 words from the word townspeople. That would be people, towns, on. There are so many words which can be made from the townspeople. This is your homework. Do all the exercises on book and complete the checkup exercise on book page number 33. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe and healthy. Allah Hafiz.